Every water business runs on the same chaos: scattered registers, missing receipts, and guesswork at month end. SkyWater replaced all of it with one intelligent Excel system. 13 connected sheets, one single file. From the first bottle loaded at the plant to the final profit figure, every rupee and every bottle is tracked, linked, and reconciled automatically. It starts with a chart of accounts. Every income, cost, and expense gets a unique account code, the backbone that lets the system classify thousands of transactions without a single mistake. In the expenses entry ledger, every cost is logged once, coded to its account head, with description, bill number, and the employee who spent it. One source of truth for all spending. Each morning begins with the daily gate pass. Every salesman's vehicle is loaded, bottles counted by size, and stamped with a gate pass number before it ever leaves the plant. At day's end, the daily sales and collection sheet takes over. Bottles returned, cash deposited, even counted down to the exact note denominations, so the drawer always matches the books. The daily sales sheet reconciles inventory automatically, issued bottles against sold, size by size. Any difference is flagged instantly, so shrinkage is caught the same day, not months later. Every salesman is scored on issued versus sold. Performance, accountability, and losses, visible at a glance, for the whole team in real time. 300 customers, each with their own rate, balance, and history. The system tracks every receivable, then prints professional, tax-ready invoices for the entire route with a single click. Supplier accounts reconcile themselves too. Bottles received from Hira are matched against costs and payments, leaving an exact running balance of what's owed every month. And it all flows here to a live profit and loss statement. Net sales of 59 million, gross profit of 48%, net profit calculated to the rupee. No accountant, no waiting. Built-in automation syncs the sheets, clears data, and prints bills on command. This is what control looks like. Accounts and inventory, one file, total clarity. Sky Business, numbers you can trust.